using a dump truck to carry blocks.
And I'm using a crane to stack the blocks and build a skyscraper.
I'm coming! I've got something really exciting today.
What could it be? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Hard hats!
That's right. Who wants to be a construction worker?
Aw, I wanted to use a dump truck.
Well, guess what? Construction workers use construction vehicles, like dump trucks.
Ooh, count me in.
Okay, just grab onto my handles and we'll head off on a construction adventure. Hi-yo, out we go!
Whoa, look at all the trucks.
Your job, construction workers, is to use these construction vehicles to demolish or knock down this old skyscraper.
So, our job is to make a mess? Cool.
And then clear the rubble to make way for a new park.
Which construction vehicle do you use to knock down the skyscraper?
A wrecking ball, and that's a crane, and that... Whoa! Abby! Oh, boy! Abby, look! A dump truck! A big, big dump truck!
Sounds like you want to try the dump truck construction worker, Rudy.
Wow! This is cool! Hey, what's this thing do?
Pulling the lever tilts the back of the truck and dumps things out.
Hey, that gives me an idea. What if we dumped the rocks out to knock over the skyscraper?
Let's try it.
Okay, let's pull the lever on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
A dump truck is good for carrying things like rocks to and from a construction site, but
Maybe not so good for knocking down skyscrapers. What's another construction vehicle we could use to knock down the skyscraper?
There's a crane, and there's a wrecking ball. Aha! I have an idea!
Use the wrecking ball to knock down the building?
Use the wrecking ball to knock down the building! Did you just say that?
Yes, but not nearly as excitingly. Let's try it.
a wrecking ball is a construction vehicle used for smashing or breaking things, like skyscrapers.
I'll use the levers to swing the wrecking ball at the skyscraper. Maybe I didn't swing hard enough.
Try swinging really, really hard.
I missed. I can't do this. This is too hard. I give up.
Abby, don't give up. You can do this. Maybe we just need to move closer. Let's try it again.
You're right, Rudy. I can't give up. Let's do this.
Keep it up. Almost there.
Yes, Queen! Down the skyscraper!
Hold up, construction workers. Remember, you need to clean up the mess to make room for the new park.
I'll load everything into the dump truck. Zippity-zap! While I'm at it, an empty lot is no fun for play. Let's add a park right away. Zippity-zap!
It's not a park without a playground.
Good job, construction workers! You didn't give up. You knocked down the old building and made room for a new park.
We made a great team.
Secret handshake.
Up high, down low. Yay, we did it. Way to go!
Time to go home.
Time to put everything away.
Okay, gotta fly.
Here's a job for you. Pretend to be a construction worker and use construction vehicles to build a skyscraper with your blocks.
Then knock it down, clean up the mess, and make another one. See you next time.